Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of limb regeneration and exploring how salamanders have the remarkable ability to regrow lost limbs. This ability has fascinated scientists for centuries and offers clues that could potentially lead to breakthroughs in human medicine. Let's dive into 18 fascinating facts about why salamanders can regrow their limbs. Did you know that salamanders have special cells called blastema cells that are essential for regrowing limbs? When a limb is amputated, these cells gather at the injury site and start the regeneration process by forming a mass of undifferentiated cells. Did you know that salamanders can reprogram mature cells to become pluripotent? This means that cells at the injury site can transform back into a stem cell-like state, capable of developing into any tissue needed to rebuild the limb. Did you know that nerve signals play a crucial role in limb regeneration? Salamanders require an intact nerve supply to stimulate blastema cell formation, which then leads to successful regrowth of the lost limb. Did you know that salamanders produce a unique protein called NAG, Newt anterior gradient protein, at the amputation site? This protein stimulates cell division and helps initiate the regeneration process. Did you know that salamander immune cells, called macrophages, are critical for regeneration? They help clear debris at the injury site and release signals that reduce inflammation, allowing the regeneration process to proceed smoothly. Did you know that during regeneration, salamanders use positional memory? This means their cells remember where they are supposed to be on the limb, ensuring that the regrown limb matches the original in size, shape, and structure. Did you know that salamanders can regrow not only limbs, but also organs, parts of the brain, spinal cord, and even parts of the heart? Their regeneration abilities extend to a wide range of body parts. Did you know that limb regeneration in salamanders is slower than typical wound healing? Instead of rushing to close the wound, they delay wound healing to give time for blastema formation, allowing for the regrowth of complex structures. Did you know that fibroblast cells are essential in the regeneration process? These cells contribute to the formation of connective tissue, helping provide the framework for new muscles, bones, and skin. Did you know that a salamander's ability to regrow its limbs depends on the presence of specific growth factors, like FGF, fibroblast growth factor, and BMP, bone morphogenetic protein? These factors stimulate cell division and tissue growth. Did you know that the regeneration process in salamanders involves both scar-free healing and complete regrowth of tissues? Unlike mammals, salamanders do not form scar tissue, which allows for seamless regeneration. Did you know that a unique set of genes in salamanders, known as the regeneration-associated genes, activate only when an injury occurs? These genes kickstart the regenerative process by guiding the formation of new tissues. Did you know that salamanders can adjust the rate of limb regrowth depending on environmental conditions? Factors like temperature and nutrition can influence how quickly or slowly a limb regenerates. Did you know that salamanders produce high levels of antioxidant enzymes during regeneration? These enzymes protect cells from oxidative stress, which helps prevent cellular damage as new tissue is formed. Did you know that the extracellular matrix, ECM, a network of molecules outside cells, plays a key role in limb regrowth? The ECM in salamanders helps guide cells to the injury site and provides structural support for newly forming tissues. Did you know that scientists are studying the epigenetic markers in salamanders to understand limb regrowth? Epigenetic markers control gene expression, and salamanders have specific markers that activate regenerative abilities after injury. Did you know that some researchers believe that salamanders possess a natural regeneration clock? This internal clock determines the timing and sequence of limb regrowth, ensuring that different tissues form in the correct order. Did you know that recent studies have found that salamanders regenerate their limbs with a process similar to that of developing embryos? Regenerated limbs go through a developmental sequence resembling how the limb was originally formed. If you found these insights fascinating, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of biology. Let us know in the comments which facts surprise you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.